Hello, a warm welcome to our YouTube channel, Monica Vloga. Today we are going to see the recipe named coffee chocolate cake. Coffee chocolate cake is always a kid's favorite. Now we will see the unique way of preparing cake with the help of buttermilk. Hence, no eggs, no butter. But we will get fluffy and tasty coffee chocolate sponge cake and will treat your tasty buds in the buttermilk. Let's see the ingredients. Maida 1½ cup, buttermilk 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, cocoa powder 2 tablespoons, instant coffee powder 1 tablespoon, half cup oil, baking soda half teaspoon, baking powder 1 tablespoon, and pinch of sugar. If you like to see more videos, kindly subscribe our channel. Now we will start preparing the recipe. Let's start cake mixture. Take 1½ cup of maida, baking powder, then add baking soda. Make sure it should not any lumps. Okay, then add cocoa powder, mix coffee powder with hot water, then add 1 cup of buttermilk, half cup of oil, and pinch of salt. Then slowly mix the mixture. Okay, then add 1 cup of sugar. Now our cake mixture is ready. It should be in this consistency. Let us go for baking for 20 minutes in microwave oven. Now our cake is ready. Let's do some icing. You can see this. Try this recipe in your home. Give your valuable comments, feedback, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.